Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you guys exactly how to get voice chat on Roblox mobile without an ID. So if you want to get an voice chat on Roblox without an ID, and if you're under 13, you want to get voice chat, I'll show you guys exactly how to do it in this video today. So it's actually a glitch that Roblox still doesn't know about. So I'll show you guys exactly how to do that glitch and how to get voice chat without an ID. So first things first, from here, from home, you're going to want to click on the three dots in the bottom right corner of the screen. Now once you click on that, you want to scroll up or scroll down until you see the option for settings, as you can see right here. And once you find settings, go ahead and click on it. And once you click on that, you're going to want to go ahead and click on account info. Now once you found account info and click on it, you're going to be brought to this page here, and here you're going to scroll down until you see the option for language. And once you find language, you're going to want to click on that and scroll all the way to the bottom until you see the option for all these squiggly lines right here. The very bottom language, as you can see. I don't know what it means, I don't know what language it is, but this glitch works. So once you find it, go ahead and click on it. It'll tell you this unsupported language. While some experiences may use the selected language, it is not fully supported by Roblox.com. You just want to go ahead and click OK, and then it's going to load for a bit. And once it's done that, you're going to want to go ahead and close out of it real quick. You want to swipe out of Roblox and reset it real quick. Once you've done that, you can go ahead and head back into the Roblox app. And once you head back into the Roblox app, you're going to want to click on the three dots in the bottom right corner of the screen. And once you do that, you're going to want to go ahead and find settings again. Once you find settings, you're going to want to go to account info. And once you're in account info, it's going to load for a bit. And once it's loaded, you're going to want to make sure that you have your email address verified and your phone address verified. So if you don't have a phone and email address, you're going to want to go ahead and add those in real quick and get them 100% verified. And once you've done that, you just have to wait from 1 to 2 weeks and you will have voice chat. I promise you this works, so I'll show you guys exactly that it works. So I'll do this real quick and then I'll show you guys in 1 to 2 weeks that I do have voice chat.
2 weeks later.
And guys, it's been about 2 weeks, and as you can see, if I head over to my settings, let me head over there real quick, and I head over to settings, and I head over to privacy, and I actually check my communications. As you can see, I have the ability to turn on voice chat. So as you can see, this method works, so go ahead and leave me a like and subscribe. Leave any questions you have in the comment section below. I'll do my best to answer them, and I will see you guys next time.